gets me every time.
Hello everyone, this is Zarina Beauty House. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a DIY effective soap recipe that will give you 2 to 3 shades lighter skin tone. But before I go to the workstation and show you how to whip up this recipe, I must say this, and this information I'm about to give out, you should adhere to it if you want to make use of this product. First and foremost, while using this product, you might experience a little bit of peeling, and which is normal because it's an exfoliating soap, and at the same time it's going to whiten you. And so if you experience a little bit of peeling, don't get scared. Some people are not used to exfoliation. Some people have never exfoliated their skin. So exfoliation is actually meant to shut off the dead skin cells, and when this is done, it will enable or enhance the products that you're using to work effectively, and it will work faster. That's that. Secondly, this soap that you're about to use, you'll be needing a good moisturizer. If you don't moisturize your skin while using this soap, you will experience dryness, like your skin is about to crack, and you do not want this to happen to you. You need to moisturize and lock in moisture on that skin. Thirdly, this soap is supposed to be used for a short period of time. You don't want to use it for more than 6 weeks. That's the height that you want to use the soap. The reason why I said this is because some people are always out in search of recipe, and they get a recipe that actually works for them, and they just clinch to it. And they use it, and at the end of if they use it for a very long time, they start having issues. Why are you having issues? That's because you didn't pay attention. So this soap, it's an exfoliating soap, and it is wrong for you to exfoliate your skin excessively. When you exfoliate your skin excessively, your skin becomes thin. You thin up your skin, and then what happens when your skin is being thinned up, as in when you've exfoliated your skin excessively, you start seeing those beautiful green veins that transport blood to your heart. You do not want to do that. Leave those veins where they are. Exfoliate your skin normally the way you're supposed to. Do not over bleach your skin, guys. It's not normal. It's not sexy. You don't want to look pale because you want to bleach your skin. You don't want to look pale because you want to be beautiful. You want to be lighter than somebody else. You want to get somebody else's skin tone. Everyone is born with a skin tone, so when you overdo yours, then you have issues. So having said that, I want to formally apologize that I've not been able to upload a video since the last one. That's because I've been a little bit under the weather. I had sore throat, my voice disappeared, I couldn't hear myself. I apologize, guys. I'm back now, I'm better, and I promise to upload videos often. So having said that, let's go to the workstation and I'll show you how to whip up this wonderful recipe. Stay tuned, guys.
Welcome to Zarina Beauty Home. Okay, make we come together. Make I show you how to.
Hello everyone, welcome to my workstation. Quickly, let me introduce to you what we'll be needing to whip up this recipe. Shredded in this bowl are these 3 soaps. Here we have K-Brother Spot Remover Soap, Papaya Whitening Soap, and Jerobe. This is an antiseptic soap. I'm whipping this recipe up for someone who has skin rashes. In here, I have my pomegranate skin. I extracted the juice, the fruit, and all we'll be needing is the skin for this recipe. Pomegranate helps to fight sun damage, firms your skin, protects wrinkles, prevents wrinkles from your face, fight acne, hydrates your skin, helps to treat eczema and psoriasis. This could also help to accelerate the healing of wounds on the skin, protects your skin against skin cancer, and helps to give you that perfect glow that you're looking for. So here I have Caro White. This serum seems to be very efficient and effective but people tend to run away from me because they don't know exactly how to use it. I'll be doing an expose on some products and how to make use of it to get a flawless and even skin tone. Caro Light contains vitamin E, and vitamin E helps to prevent skin from aging, helps prevent your skin against free radicals. This product is said to contain hydroquinone, and that's why I'm rolling with it to whip up this recipe. Hydroquinone helps to reduce pigmentation and discoloration of the skin. So it says to contain 2% of hydroquinone. Here I have vitamin C, which boosts collagen, helps pop up the skin and smooth out that fine lines and wrinkles. It also fights against free radicals and damage caused by UV radiation. I have my DIY carrot oil here, and you all know the essential benefits of carrot oil. Here I'll also be adding my Morrocan Agan oil. In here I have my Dermalis lotion. This I'll be putting in this shredded soap. Here guys, I also have my Glycerine. This will help to lock in moisture on your skin. And here I have lactic acid. This is a mild exfoliant. Lactic acid helps to take out those dull skin cells, improves your skin, give you that smooth and glowing look, and it also helps to take out age spots. It's a good exfoliant. For you to make it more effective for a stubborn skin, you might add glycolic acid, but I like to roll with us. So quickly, let me show you how to combine this. You infuse all of this into this and keep it for 24 hours. But before I do so, I need to shred this. I need to blend it up, and I'll be right back. Here is the blended pomegranate skin. I blended it with a little bit of rose water. So I'll be adding it up to this mixture. Here I'll be adding 2 bottles of my Caro light oil.
Make your body glow tonight. Make your body clean tonight. Make your body smack tonight. You play like a dynamite. Make your body
About 3 tablespoons of my Dermalis lotion.
make your body glow every time. You play like a dynamite. Sabina, Sabina, make your body clean with Sabina. Make your skin tight with Sabina. Make your body glow with Sabina. Sabina, Sabina, make your body glow with Sabina.
3 tablespoons of my Argan Morrocan oil. This is about a tablespoon of my carrot oil. This is exhausted, so it's a DIY made by me. Here I'll be adding just a tablespoon of my lactic acid. The glycerine, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of my glycerine. And for my vitamin C, I have about a tablespoon of it. In fact, it's less than a tablespoon. It's exhausted. And you want to combine this mixture together.
be smiling. They play like a dynamite. Make your body grow tonight.
You want to infuse this. You want the oil to infuse, to incorporate with the soap. It's going to melt by tomorrow. This is going to sit for 24 hours. And you want to add your preservative so it doesn't go bad. For this mixture, you want to add just about a quarter spoon of your preservative. Because of the fresh pomegranate. The jerry in this mixture, the soap is optional. I'm whipping up this recipe for someone who has skin condition. This will help exfoliate your skin. And this soap is not supposed to be used on a regular basis. The maximum you want to use this soap for is 6 weeks, and you discontinue the usage. Otherwise, you'll be exfoliating your skin excessively, and that could cause you another damage. You do not want to do that. So we'll come back by 24 hours and I'll show you the final outlook of the soap. So guys, this is the final outlook of the soap after 24 hours. This soap is supposed to be used for 4 weeks, maximum 6 weeks, and you want to discontinue the usage to repeat after 2 months interval if you didn't get the desired results that you're looking for. And I must emphasize that this particular recipe is for a sensitive skin, so if you have a stubborn skin, this might not really work well for you. But for this recipe, if you want to make it more stronger for someone who has a stubborn skin texture, you might want to add glycolic acid to this mixture. Having said that, if you find this video interesting, if you think it was helpful, give us a thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye guys.